All right, we're going to do one of the examples from the homework here for the box and arrows on the worksheet 4.3. So worksheet 4.3, this is going to be number 1, and we're going to do iron. Oops, number 1. So we basically do this the same way we do our other configurations, but we're drawing, it's called boxes and arrows because we're showing the orbitals. So instead of writing the little 2 up here, we actually show there's 2 electrons in this orbital. So for iron, we have to get all the way down to the 4th energy level. So we would write our 1s, and then we would do our 2s. I'm just going to do lines instead of boxes because it's just a little bit quicker. Okay, so we did 1s, we did our 2s. Now we're over here at 2p. 2p, we have to draw 3 lines or 3 boxes because 2 electrons can fit into every orbital. So 2, 4, 6 would be 3. So we put 1 electron in each orbital and then go back and put a 2nd electron in each orbital. Then we have to do our 3rd energy level, 3s, with the 2 electrons in that, and then our 3p, so that we can get down to that 4th energy level. So again, 1 electron in each. This is just like you guys when you get on the bus, right? You want to go 1 to a seat until you have to double up. Okay, now we're going to be down to the 4th energy level. We're at 4s2 right here. So 2 electrons here. And now we're going to get into the 3d. Now since D has 10 boxes, we have to write 5 lines. Iron has 6 electrons, so we're going to put 6 electrons into these 5 boxes, 1 in each box or line. So we put 1 on each line or 1 in each orbital first. That uses 5 of our electrons. Since we have a 6th one, we would go back and then double 1 up. So that's how you do the box and arrows for your first 4 problems on your homework assignment. The next 4 problems you do like I previously showed you in the other video, and then I believe number 9 is the one where you can do abbreviated versions. So for an abbreviated version, what you do, if we were going to do abbreviated version for iron, you have to go, for in the 4th energy level, you have to go back to the noble gas in the energy level before it. So we would have to write argon in brackets. That then represents all of this above here, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, so we don't have to write any of that. That's our abbreviated version. Then what you do is you go to your 4th energy level, and all you have to write is your 4s2 and your 3d6. Okay? So like if we were doing gold, we would go up here to xenon, we would write xenon in parentheses, and then we would abbreviate. We would have our 6s2. Don't forget you got to go down from here to here. Okay, so we would have 4f14, and then we would come back up here to 5d, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that would be our abbreviated version for gold. Okay, so much quicker. These are also called the noble gas configurations. Okay, so you have a worksheet to do on noble gas configurations, and then on the worksheet 4.3, 9 through 12, I believe, you can do abbreviations on. So hopefully that'll help you with those homework assignments.